Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for April 13th, 2026, Part 2. Today's theme is Astronauts. I Want to Be an Astronaut by Byron Barton. I want to be an astronaut, a member of the crew, and fly on the shuttle into outer space. I want to be up there on a space mission and have ready-to-eat meals and sleep in zero gravity. I want to put on a spacesuit and walk around in space and help fix a satellite and build a factory in orbit. I want to be up there a while and then come back to Earth. I just want to be an astronaut and visit outer space. The end. We're going to make a wooden rocket. Your Craft-to-Go kit is this wooden rocket kit. My instructions and my plan was to paint the rocket, but I think I'm just going to use wood pens instead, wood markers, just so I can have it dry faster. So all you're going to do is take your paint or your wood markers and do your rocket however you'd like it, and then I'll show you how to stick it together. It's pretty obvious. You notice no instructions really came with it. So I'm going to go ahead and color this with my wood markers, and then I'll come back and we'll put it together. Okay, I have decorated both sides of the rocket, and we're just going to assemble it. All you need to do is take the two slots, line them up, and stick that in, and then it'll stand right up. And that's all you do.